Hello friends, today I am going to unbox FIFINE K683A condenser microphone. As you can see, this is the box. I have already cut this. As you can see, this is the box. It comes in a very good packing. Let's see what is inside this. As you can see this friends, this is of matte. This is 3.5 mm headphone jack. This is good. This is for monitoring. There's some oil in my hand probably, and that's why it's stuck on the surface. And the good thing is that it's a matte finish, so it's a sturdy, a little bit heavy. A sense of heaviness you can feel when you will hold it on your hand. It feels premium, it looks premium, and at the same time it feels premium also. Let's see what are the other accessories. I am a little bit careful. I am carefully handling this because my table is a bit shaky. Sorry for the friends. As you can see, this is a plastic table, and I have attached this boom arm with this. Now let's see. This is the empty box. Now let's see what inside this box. Let's open this. Probably this is the tripod. The tripod feels solid. It's around 2 to 300 grams, 200 grams. The tripod really feel solid. The color is also nice. Probably it's gonna fit on this. Now let's attach this. To do anything, just you'll have to affix it here. Now I'm gonna fix this. This is quite simple. Now I have affixed this, and this is the mute button. It is good that there's a inbuilt mute button and it's not clicky. The good thing is that this button is not clicky, otherwise it will capture your microphone, gonna capture this sound also. So I am impressed with this click because it is not clicky. Sometimes we need clicky buttons, but in this case I am happy with this. Now let's see what are the other accessories. Probably this will be used to insert somewhere in the boom arm, and this is the USB cord. This generally we can see this port in our printers, and this is the same port, but at the other end you will have this USB type C port. Now good thing is that I have a Macbook, and I have two ports on my laptop, and both the ports are type C, so it's good that I don't need to buy one. So good thing is that the cable is bifurcated here. If you have a conventional USB port, then you can use this, or at the same time you can use this one also. And the quality of this cable is also very sturdy. Then let's see if there is any other accessory. Oh, forgot to mention friends, this is the pop filter. Quality of this pop filter is also nice, as it's a bit rubbery, very smooth finish. In the description of this product, it's a dual layer, and it's really this dual layer. As you can see through the mesh, it has provided dual layer. Now let's affix it here. This end will go to your microphone. Now the main purpose of this microphone is the sound. Now I am going to connect this with my laptop. As this microphone comes with two ports and I have a type C port, so good thing is that I don't have to buy any adapter for this. So directly you can insert it here. Now it is inserted. Now let's see recording some voice sample with this. Now what you are listening in this video, that is through my iPhone 12. Now I will compare what is the sound difference between this MacBook Air and this microphone. Generally MacBook Air also gives very good sound quality. So friends, without wasting time, let's go and check sound quality of this mic. Friends, as you can see on the screen, now my setup is almost ready. I have inserted this microphone into my laptop, and for monitoring purpose I am using this very old microphone that comes from Philips. Now my gain knob is at 60%. At 60%, I am listening a number of noise. Basically, it is the chirping cricket sound that we used to hear at night, and this is very prominent in my ear now, since it is already a late. Generally, I used to prefer recordings at night time, since where I am staying, this is very close to the road. At this time also, so many vehicles are passing through the road, and the voice now you are listening, this is through the FIFINE microphone. As you can see on the screen, this is the microphone. Now I am focusing on the screen. I hope you can see on the screen, this is FIFINE 683 microphone. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be comparing with the inbuilt laptop sound also. Let's first check with this other gain levels of this microphone. Now I am while I was talking, I was a little bit 15 inches far from the microphone. Since the mic is not attached to a boom arm, so the distance is around 15 inches. And now the gain knob is at 50%, and I am very close to the microphone. It is around 3 inches from the microphone. Probably now you will not listen any outside noise. And now again I am decreasing. Now my decreasing to around, now it will be around 40%. At 40%, I think my voice is very low now, and you cannot listen. Now again I am increasing. Now it is at 50%. Now again I am increasing, it is at 75%, and I am very close. I mean to say around 4 inches 4 inches gap between the me and the mic. Now I am increasing it to 100%. Probably now it's gonna capture a lot of outside noise, and probably it may hurt your ear also, so I am decreasing. Now it is at around 70%. Now let's check with the inbuilt sound of this laptop. What I am doing, I am going to change this. I am again focusing on the screen, going to audio. Now I am selecting the inbuilt microphone. The microphone is selected. Probably friends, now you can listen to number of outside noise. So this is the reason why I thought to switch it to a condenser microphone. Generally these Macbooks comes with a very good microphone, but the thing is that you will have to be in a very quiet place, but this is not possible in my case. Now friends, just compare these two voice samples, one from the Macbook itself and one from the condenser microphone. Now for better comparison, what I am doing, again I am switching it to FIFINE audio. Then I am selecting, again I am zooming into the screen. I hope you can see. Now I have selected this FIFINE microphone. Probably again now you will be seeing a noticeable difference between these two mics. So friends, this will be a very good experiment for me, as well as I am also trying with this microphone. So friends, if you like this video, then do like it. It will encourage me to come up with some other videos. And what is your feelings about the between the two voice samples? Please do comment in the comment section, so that I can read through. And if there is anything, if you have any question, if you want to ask, then please put in your in the comment section. Definitely I'll be replying. So thanks a lot, friends. Thanks for watching.